We present to you ROBOCAT 2022,
an edition of Hides and Castles where the Enchaneta will be decisive.
This year, the game will be played in a field measuring 114.5 centimeters wide and 117.3 centimeters long, divided into equal rectangles of 27.2 by 28.2 centimeters.
The arena is divided into three zones: the square, the initial area, and the Enchaneta area.
This season, the teams will have to bunch together to build the best castles in the square.
The robot must be autonomous, built and programmed with whatever the participants find most suitable, with the only restriction of the size.
Up to 27.2 by 28.2 centimeters of base, and without limit of height. Each team has a total of 20 cubes, 16 trunk cubes, and 4 Enchanetas, clearly distinguishable from the rest.
Each cube's edge measures 4.5 centimeters. Teams are encouraged to customize their cubes with their colors or motifs. In this case, we've kept the orange for the trunk cubes and the black for the Enchanetas. The team selects a rectangle from the initial region from which the robot will launch at the beginning of the game. Beyond powering on the machine, it is forbidden to interact with the robot.
The team will be able to place up to 8 trunk cubes, completely grounded, in the other initial rectangle,
and 1 Enchaneta cube in each of the designated.
The other 10 cubes can be added during the course of the game.
Once the time starts, the team will score the most points by building castles in the square during the 2 minutes game.
More cubes can be added to the playing field each time the robot leaves the initial area.
Then a maximum of 2 cubes will be added as long as they are not both Enchanetas.
Any cube that falls off the field won't be scored and will be removed from the game. However, if it falls on the opposite field, the action will be penalized.
The points will be added up at the end of the game. Each cube outside the square will receive no points, while each cube inside the square that is touching the floor will receive 1 point. Those above it will receive 2 points.
And so on, up to the 5th floor, which will receive 5 points. In order for the Enchaneta to crown a castle and double the score of that cube, it can neither touch the ground nor support any other cube.
Additionally, if the robot finishes the game by raising its hand, 10 points will be added to the final score. Castelleres and Castellers, get your gears turning, the grayas are already playing.
ROBOCAT 2022 has just begun. For further information, see the official ROBOCAT website.